Hi everybody, my name is Kenny Burns and I am the co-pool manager. This is my first year here. I took this position after recently retiring out of a 35-year career in manufacturing. I wanted to live in Eagles Nest because of the facilities that it provided. They're custom homes, they're nice homes. You've got great facilities here. With Sound Park being closed this year, it's probably the best water facility in the northeast side of Indianapolis. The wading pool is an interesting situation where the Board of Health has come down. We got tagged out for having 2 screws missing out of our drain cover and a little bit of a chemical imbalance. We have the drain situation figured out. We're working our way through the chemical side of it, and the neighborhood association has made some investment in equipment to help clean the pools. So we're really moving in the right direction. It's just taking a little bit of time to get there.